Cryptocurrency is a very hot topic these days, but considering the amount of hype around it, there's way too little info out there. Actually, there's a lot of misinformation out there as well. So today we're going to do a fact check and we're going to go over 5 common misconceptions about cryptocurrency. Why are people scared of investing in crypto? Okay, first up, crypto is a scam. You know what? Crypto is actually far from a scam. It's actually less of a scam than the current system of fiat currency regulated by banks and governments. It's way too easy for corruption to take place in the current system of fiat currency. Now, crypto solves this simply because of how foolproof the blockchain technology is. By the way, if you don't know what blockchain is, you should definitely check out my video explaining that. Also, if crypto was really a scam, then big institutions like Tesla, Google, Apple, and Facebook wouldn't have gotten into it in the first place. They clearly see something that we don't. Next up, crypto is too volatile. Okay, now this one is actually kind of fair because crypto is quite volatile. You're looking at the chart of Dogecoin. And yes, this is crazy, but let me tell you, crypto is not Dogecoin. There are actually quite a lot of stable coins as well. You even have some very promising charts like this one here. This is the chart for Ethereum. And yeah, I know you see this really big red candle over here, but that's one market crash and it was a pretty necessary correction. Also, since crypto is such a young and raw technology with so much potential, prices will rocket and plummet just like how a young startup's shares do. Next up, crypto is illegal. Now, I've had a lot of people tell me, oh my god, bro, crypto is illegal. How can you invest in it? You're going to lose all your money, bro. But let me tell you, crypto is very much legal. You can't stop or ban crypto because that's as absurd as saying that the government's going to ban the internet. That's impossible, right? Because blockchain is simply a blanket around the internet. You can't just stop it if you feel like. Governments can only ban crypto exchanges like WazirX or raid a crypto mining farm. But this does not make crypto illegal, it just makes it harder to acquire. In fact, both the Supreme Court and the Reserve Bank of India recently stated that cryptocurrency is not illegal in India. And they even told banks that they shouldn't be worried about tying up with crypto exchanges. And recently, the Prime Minister of El Salvador even declared Bitcoin as a legal tender. So, yeah, crypto is legal, and governments are slowly but surely embracing it too. So, why shouldn't you? Next up, crypto will never replace real currency. So, there's no point investing in it. Okay, yeah, crypto won't replace fiat currency anytime soon. I'll give you that. Because the governments around the world want to maintain their power of being in charge of minting currency and regulating the supply according to their needs. But people need to realize that payment is just one of the countless potential use cases of cryptocurrency. Different cryptocurrencies have different uses. You have Bitcoin, which has so much storage value, something like digital gold. Ethereum is like a decentralized Play Store or App Store. It hosts decentralized apps, also called dApps. The Monero token masks your identity, and it's used for private transactions. Chainlink supplies data feeds to different companies about anything you can think of. It basically supplies decentralized APIs. Ripple is used for instant peer to peer transactions. Litecoin is used for alternate storage, something like digital silver. Uniswap is an exchange token and allows people to trade between cryptos. BAT is a system of ad revenue. And of course, Dogecoin. Never mind. You get the point. Crypto is huge. Lastly, Bitcoin is fake because Elon Musk said so. Okay, let me tell you this. Bitcoin is just one cryptocurrency, and also Elon Musk loves crypto, and he still owns Bitcoin. He just likes being dramatic sometimes, and he caused a panic so that prices would drop and his company could accumulate more Bitcoin at cheaper prices. So please don't be fooled. He's a clever man who just knows how to influence the masses. It's just slightly unfortunate that other cryptocurrencies somewhat depend on Bitcoin's price charts because Bitcoin is the king of the crypto market. Okay, to sum things up, let's just say that crypto is a very strong project and it's highly unlikely that it's going to fail now. Yes, there will be short term panics and crashes, but in the long term, crypto is here to stay. But with that being said, I just want to remind you to do your own research and invest wisely. If you stuck around till here, thank you.